Welcome back everybody. So how's you all doing? In today's video, we will look into how to make a common app account and how to fill your application. I will give you some tips and tricks. So let's move on. So first of all, just type common app. So some of the universities are not included in this application such as MIT, UCs and Texas universities. So for them, there is Texas apply Texas. So this will be the apply Texas. Wait a minute. Apply Texas. So this will be the apply Texas. And if you want to apply to universities that do not included in these two, and in the UC portal, then you may write the university specific name like MIT and write application. So this will take you to apply MIT. So first of all, let's go with common app. So first of all, let's just create a new account, but I have already one. So I will just walk through this. And by the way, I will today show you my score that I promised last time. So you have to select a first year student, or maybe you can be a transfer student, or maybe parent who is who is creating an account for his children. You have to first give your email address, then retype that, then give it a password. A strong password will be nice, like a 10 to 32 character. Use these criterias to fill that. Then retype the password, then your first name, last name, your phone number with country code, your date of birth, your address, and you have to tell about that. Are you currently based in a European Union country like Iceland, Norway, Switzerland, or United Kingdoms? Then you have to tell about what best describes you. Like I was planning to start college in 2022, so I will choose this. But if you are in a class 11th or 10th, then it will depend on you. Then you have to just check it by checking this box unless I am underage. So this says that these terms and conditions are applied to your parents first of all until you are 18. Then you must sign in. Click this button and then wait a minute. Let's just reload it. And by the way, if you want to prepare for SAT, mathematics especially, then you can contact me. I have placed a form in the previous video too. And by the way, thanks for your so much support in our videos. And we have reached 3 subscribers. Not a great milestone, but it's great. So I have given a form here. So if you click this, you will be taken to the website. Then you can fill the form and I will contact you shortly. And the charges will be not very high, they will be very low. By considering that students are from everywhere, every place of the world. So I can help you with that. So let's just click first year student for me. Then I will enter my email and password. And by the way, you can also write an email to me if you want, if you have some doubts or anything else, or you can DM me on the Instagram. I have given my Instagram ID. Wait a minute, not here, but I will provide in the next video. Sorry, in this video, and the form will be in this video description too. And I can also guide you through the application if you want. So these are some of the universities that I am applying. So I have already applied to UNC. So what happens firstly is there will be no university in this. This will be a blank. So what you have to do is just type the name like Cornell, and it is shown here Cornell University. There is Cornell College too. If you are applying to them, then just click here add a college, and you will be done. Now if you do not have the name or you want to just check universities, then you can go through these like this way, and it will be fine. So that's how you add a university. First of all, let me just show you something else too. So you have to just check these deadlines. First year there is early decision in the CMU, and there are contact details if you want to contact them. And there are multiple more things like application fees, standard test policy, courses, recommendations, and there is save school form after matriculation. So this is nothing. Then there is additional information for College of Fine Arts, and there is recommendation required too. Then there are writing essays. So let me just guide you through them. First of all, you have to just enter your profile name, surname, and then all these details, your date of birth. Then you have to type your address, then contact details, then demographics, then language, then geography and nationality, and the common app fee waiver. If you want a fee waiver that you are not able to support this thing, if you are not able to pay, then you can just check one of these if it is applied to you. And if none of these apply to you, then you can check this. I can provide a supporting statement from a school counselor. So I have also checked this. Then the signature, and then many more. So this will be the profile. Then your family's details will be asked. Then your education, like your future plans, your current education, the grades, the college and universities you have attended, or the most recently course you have attended. So that's all. And then the testing, the activities. For the activities, you can write whatever you want. If you have done something, then you can just write here. So, like I have done an internship at INCIS. So I worked as a Python instructor there. So I did that in grade 8th, but there was no option, so I checked it grade 9th. Then you have to tell about your hours you spend, and just be truthful, because sometimes you may be caught and sometimes you may not, but that doesn't matter. So maybe they ask a proof, so you must have a official letter or official documents. Then the voluntary work, and then I played volleyball in my school, so I wrote that too. For these type of things, you can just give a letter of recommendation from your sports teacher. Letter of recommendation is nothing, but it's just a letter in a form of letter where there is signature below, and the middle there will be a content about yourself, how the coach feel about you, and above there will be school, and below finally there will be school stamp to verify, and the counselor signature or the head of your school who is giving permission about that. So these are the seven, yes, seven topics from which you have write about one. So I can't show you this, but I will show you this after maybe my application will be finished. Then you have to write about the COVID circumstances that affected you and your maybe school. So that's the writing portion I want to show you. Now let's walk through some of the universities, but sorry, I am not able to show you because I may get a copyright, or maybe my application would be cancelled. So sorry about that. But they are very simple. You have to just give information about yourself, your family, your education, your school, and your contact details. And sometimes you have to write some essays. That is very simple. You do not have to work so hard or something. But I'll give you some tips at the end of the video. So for the apply taxes, it's same. You have to just create an account, then log in, and then choose the universities, and then just same process. So just create an account, and that will be all right. You have to fill these details that I am not under age of 16. Yes, sure. Then you have to give details about yourself, your date of birth, your place of birth, your grade level, are you a US citizen or not. Then your email address, permanent address, physical address, phone number. There are a lot of details. But they are so easy. If you have any doubt, then just comment down below. I will definitely respond. Like the student here, he was very nice guy. He asked that his birth date was in the format of date, month, and year. But in the US, it is some different, like month, date, and year. So I told him that it doesn't matter because in the application they will write down that, oh, you have to write in this format month, date, and year. But in our documents there are things like we have mentioned in the official documents, there will be mentioned that the format is date, month, and year, so you do not have to worry about that. So I told him that I had nothing to worry about, just comment down below if you have any other doubt. So this was my first comment holder, so I really appreciate him. So his name is Keshav Misra. Thanks for your support, man. And just like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon button so that you never miss this video on next ones. So you have to save profile, then move. That will be okay, you will be done. For specific universities like MIT, you have to just go to the portal, just tell them that the first year application, yeah, sure. Then it will take you to the portal, and they are very simple. You never have to worry about them. You can easily do them, like create an account, then you have to just log in, like I have to just log in, and then same process. But common help app helps you with that, since some of the things like maybe the common app essay, they are same, you have to write one time, but the same will be goes to everyone. So that doesn't matter, and it will help you, since it will break down the process into simpler processes, and it will decrease your time, since the common thing will be sent to all. Like you can send your scores of SAT. And by the way, let me just show you my scores. So I will just log in. It takes some time, but it's okay. So let's see. And the tips I was going to give you will be after this one. So that's my score. So I got a 780 on math, but a very low in English, since I was very poor at that time. So let me just show you more about this. And for the coaching purpose, I will decide we can have a common time if you live in some other country like Europe or maybe Russia. or maybe Japan or anywhere else. But that's very simple. If you do not have to take a coaching, then that's also okay, because the mathematics in the SAT is nothing more than elementary, and it's not above than 10th level. I never prepared for it because the questions were very easy. I used a book, the Princeton book, the Princeton preparation, like that. So I was on 99 percentile, and let me just show you more. So let's show these things. So these are things. So command of evidence, not these. Where's the yeah, here is it. The heart of algebra. Algebra is very important, but it's not very difficult. You will get a single equation, single variable equations or double variable equations. So that's very easy. And then problem solving and data analysis. This was, I did two questions wrong in this, but that's okay. I was in a rush there. I forgot to use my bring my calculator, because I thought that will be a waste of money. So I never used a calculator there, and it was very easy. I prepared. I finished before half an hour. That was very easy. There were questions like some of them were just very easy, like you have to add numbers and then just put the values. You have to put the values of x there, and you will get the answer. So easy. You do not have to worry about anything. Then there was a passport to advanced mathematics. That was also very easy. It was just waste of time, I say. They must make this really hard, because that was very elementary level. So just do not waste your time. If Do not worry, you will do better if you prepare for some time. Give it some time, like half an hour or 1 hour for a day. If you are preparing to take it before 6 months, and if you are preparing to take it before 1 month, then give it 3 hours a day or 2 hours a day. That will be fine. And just prepare from one book, and then give some 4 to 5 sample tests, and that will be fine. You do not have to, oh, I have to learn this thing also, I have to learn this thing also. There is common pattern behind them. You just get thing, and you just get one book and try to learn one thing. Oh, do not learn the formulas, because only one or two question will become from formulas, and rest of you will be from just common knowledge. Just will be common sense. Oh, I the equation will be like x plus 5 is less than equals to 13. Then find the value which of the value of x will be satisfy this. So that's very okay, since 5 will be gone there. That's one linear equation in one variable. So that's okay. Do not worry about them. They are very easy if you prepare. But if you do not prepare, that will be hard for you. Just remember one thing. Just calm yourself before paper, take deep breaths, and that will be fine. Do not stress out, oh, I have to learn this thing also, this thing also. It will not matter. And there are something about scholarships also. If you are international student, you do not have scholarship unless the university have specific maybe private scholarship, or maybe they provide you some through work or loan. You do not get a scholarship mostly. So do not think that you will get scholarship unless you are the best. If you are exceptional student according to the university's criteria, like oh, university want a 1100 score on the SAT, and you if you got 1400, 1300, university will never see if you want financial aid or not. They will give you if you want. Then just show them that I am not able to pay. And if you have some great extracurricular activities, like if you have just done a YouTube channel like me and have 100,000 subscriber, 10,000 or maybe 5,000 will be a great achievement. And if I talk about another things, like maybe you taught some kids, or maybe you done an internship at a just a company, that will be fine. But there are grade levels, like a D level extracurricular activity, a C level, B level, A level, and S level. So for an S level, let's take you've done an internship at a very great company like Google, Facebook, Amazon. That's I know that looks like impossible, because students who are below 12th grade have to master everything. Like they have to great in machine learning, or maybe UI, UX, UI, or maybe Android development, or in their own fields. If you are going for a biology major, then maybe you have worked at a hospital as a assistant doctor, or for a maybe. And by the way, if you have less time left, then I have special things for you. I will make a special video for that. That if you have 1 year like me, I prepared at the last moment, at the last time of my 11th grade, and I will tell you that the secret. If you have watched this video full, then you will get these things to know. So that's why I always tell that watch full video, because I tell more secret things between the video or at the end. So I will tell you how to prepare them. And I will tell you my I will show you my profile, that how much I have learned, how much progress I have made. But for that you have to give a lot of hours. Like I used to sleep at 12 at the midnight, and woke up at maybe sometimes 7 and 8. I just do not go to school. I was non attend. I used to prepare on my own. That's why I was saving much time. That's why I was able to do so much things, and do some things like that make you mind calm, like yoga. And 20 minutes yoga can give you sleeps of deep sleep of 2 hours. That's our equivalent. 20 minutes yoga is equivalent to 2 hours long deep sleep. But sleep is also important. So for scholarship opportunities, you can use College Board. College Board also give huge number of scholarships. Like if you find colleges from this website, they will give you scholarship. I was just shocked about that. So now the trick is who, what, when, where, and why. So while writing an essay, use this trick. So first of all, write about whom you are writing. So for that, let's say if you are writing about yourself, like I do gardening. So about whom is this? So this is about me. What did I do? So I do gardening. So maybe they have asked, what do you for pleasure? So I write, I do for gardening. So this is my what. So I will elaborate this something, some up to a extent, and then I will start another thing. Who else was with you? So I will write my brother, sister, my grandmother, my mother. We all used to do gardening in our small piece of land. We used to grow vegetables. Then who part is done? Then not done. You can elaborate this. Then when? From when I am doing this? So I used to do this from 2016, and from I will tell you exactly. It was the rainy season, that was near October. from where when I was doing and where I was doing. That's where. So I did in a small piece of land on the side of our house. So one day I will show you that too. Before I will go to US, I will do some blog videos too. But that's depend. If you want, then I can show. And then finally, why I do that? Because that gives me pleasure. I plant two trees someday, and one day they were like they will be dead. But I do not lose hope. I gave them names, name tag, and then water them every day. So that's all. I didn't do anything exceptional. I just love the way I was doing that. So that's all. You have to answer these five questions. Then there will be the H, like how did you do that? Who else helped you? And some things like that. So that will make your writing great. I will say exceptional, since these are the important topics that they want to see in your application. You may tell how you do know, because I saw multiple interviews and did multiple research on online, and these are the some of the important things about communication behavior. So when you talk with somebody and maybe a interviewer, then these are the things he want to ask from you. So interview here and application are same things, almost same, because both sides are competitive. And if you want to learn machine learning, AI, or something else, then this is my second channel, Rindana Ale Coder. So that's a great channel because I used to talk in English, and everybody can understand, and that's growing too. So I started it in some days before. I changed the topic because I used to taught programming earlier, because but I do not feel that much. So I teaching the machine learning about cost function, gradient descent, and then matrix multiplication, neural network, deep learning, scalar operations, and that's all. I taught about Pygame. Then I will give a tutorial about Android development too. So if you want, then check out this channel. And this is my Instagram ID. You can DM me. And here also I upload the same content, the US preparation, and how to get scholarship, how to fill your application, how to get great scores, how to learn machine learning. You know what? Machine learning is very important. That's why I am learning, because it opens multiple opportunities. Whatever your background is, biology, business, or writing. You know what? This Grammarly, that's also a machine learning project. So if you made something like these, you will be exceptional. So there are 21 followers currently. I started just some months ago, not some months ago, yeah, some weeks ago, and it grows to 21 followers instantly. So that's growing. So you can DM me and ask questions whatever you want. So I think the video has gone too long. So that's all for today, and watch the previous videos too, so that you can understand how every process works and how you can prove yourself, and go to a top university. And just make sure that if you want to learn about anything like US preparation, or you want a counselor, then I can arrange to. And if you want to have the SAT math preparation, or you want mathematics personal tuitions, I can teach, because I like the subject. So that's all for today, and do not forget to fill the form that will be in the description. So see you in the next one.